Alright guys, Arthur over here at Capital City Mitsubishi. Today we are taking a look at this 2021 Kia Sorento Prestige X line. This is one of their high-end Sorentos in their lineup. And I must say this vehicle is pretty loaded up. Can you believe there's 90,000 miles on this thing? The previous owner took excellent care of it. It's got brand new tires specialized for rain and snow. Synthetic leather on the inside. And it is loaded up with some awesome features, starting with the all-wheel drive system. Like I said, this one is pretty loaded on its features, but the all-wheel drive system really sets this one apart for some other vehicles. It's sort of similar to our Mitsubishi all-wheel drive. This one's got 5 different drive modes. Let's see, it's an inline-4 turbocharged engine, which sounds great, by the way. LED lights around the front, daytime running lights, fog lights. You got your 360 cameras over here, give you an entire bird's eye view of the vehicle. Now let's start over here in the back. This vehicle seats 6 people easily. Seats pop back up like so, fold back down with the pull of the lever on the side. You got your mats in the back, 12-volt outlet. Your seats in the middle are actually power. You got 2 more USBs behind that. Bose sound system. 9 speakers throughout, cup holders in the doors, which I think is a really cool feature. Let's see if we can pop these back up with one hand. There we go. What I really like is the 12-volt outlet plus USB. It's not a feature you're going to see on all the vehicles with the USB ports on the seats. I think that one is really cool as well. These Kias and Hyundais have really loaded up a lot of their vehicles with some cool tech features. Synthetic wood grain around the edge. And it's got some fairly dark tint on the windows, if you can see. Automatic window on all sides. All digital driver display with your tachometer. Digital smartphone display. Six-speed automatic transmission. You got 5 different drive modes, all-wheel drive, auto hold settings. Oh, and it's got a panoramic sunroof. Isn't that cool? 91,000 miles, excellent condition. One of my favorite pre-owned SUVs out here on our lot right now. 2021 Kia Sorento X line.